దేశం మొత్తం వాళ్ళు So by using this oil, this is a very ancient way of extracting edible oil, which gives you innumerous number of health benefits, which has also, this is actually called as cold press oil. The regular machines which now they are using has an RPM of 45 to 50. RPM in the sense revolution per minute. This bull driven unit has only 2 to 3 RPM. 2 is the maximum. So the heat generated in this oil is minimal amount, whereas the machine ones, so oil, not only this, you purchase any of these oils, or either it might be 5000, 6000, any of them. Oil should be once heated, that's all, not more than that. So the machine ones now, which all of them are going through, is already been heated in that. In this we don't go into that process, heat process. So what health benefit you will be getting it, but getting it directly from this oils by using this oil, this kind of oils. So please suggest all the viewers this oil, and we extract 5 different oils like groundnut, sesame, safflower and nigger oil. So the prices for these oils are depending upon the seed. So please visit our unit, see the process how we are extracting, and then trust the product. We also deliver it to various places according to your choice. Address and our address is located at Hyderabad Malkajgiri, near Malkajgiri police station. and my contact number is 9700 103 and my mail ID swatijakas@gmail.com. And we have started this unit in the name of Aradhya Naturals. You can also check out the mail ID aradhyanaturals1@gmail.com.